Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside your Facebook profile because this is where family links live. Once logged in, go to About and open Family and Relationships. This shows all linked family entries. You should locate the specific person, make sure it's the correct account, because removing severs the visible link. If the name appears multiple times, verify profile photos or mutual friends. Now tap the three dots or edit button beside their entry to reveal the removal option. This is the very first actionable step. You will now perform the edit. Choose Edit or Remove from the Entries menu to change or delete the relationship. If Facebook prompts you to confirm the relationship type, correct it only if you plan to keep a link. Otherwise, select Remove to unlink them from your profile. Once removed, press Save or Confirm. Facebook may ask for a final confirmation. After confirming, refresh your profile page to ensure the family tag is gone. This verifies the action completed successfully. To finish, verify the change by viewing your profile from another account or asking a friend to check. This confirms the link is truly removed. If you still see the family tag, clear browser or app cache, or switch from mobile to desktop and repeat the removal steps. Sometimes the client syncs slowly. If errors persist or the option is missing, open Facebook Help and report the problem. Give screenshots and exact steps so support can resolve permission or syncing issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.